everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to create this easy glam makeup look with a little hint of neon in the eye, and will be giving you two lip options as well. So if you are interested in seeing how I created this look, then please keep on watching. Okay, so this is how my actual skin looks like, and I'm using a facial oil to prep my skin, and this will give me a little bit of glow as well. So I'm massaging it into. Time to do my brows, and I'm not following any Insta brow trend today and just using a tinted brow gel at first, following by a brow pencil. I love using a spoolie every time I use a brow product on my brows. It just makes sure that there is no lump or extra product left in my brows, and it makes my brows look very natural, so I love it. For my eyelid, I used a liquid eyeshadow from Wet n Wild and just used my fingers to dab it in. Then I was not very happy with the pigmentation, so I used a second coat of it and followed the same procedure. And then I used a clean fluffy brush just to blend the harsh edges. For my mascara, I used my Maybelline Total Temptation, and this is my absolutely favorite mascara right now. It gives so much volume and length. I love it. And if you haven't tried it already, definitely do give it a try. I'm sure you will love it. Okay, for eyeshadow, I used this Wet n Wild palette. I'm not sure it's still available in the market or not. You can use any of your favorite eyeshadows. I use this in the inner corner of my eyes just to give it a pop of color. And then I cleaned my under eyes with the same compact I've used before. For my contour and bronzer, I used Bahama Mama bronzer from the Balm. Very good cool toned bronzer, perfect for contouring as well. I don't really like heavily contoured face anymore. I either go for a matte bronzer or just a blush. So if you are a fan of cool toned bronzers like this, then you should definitely give it a try. And I used the same bronzer on my eyes to give some definition to it. Next, I tightlined my eyes with a green eye pencil from Rimmel. I'm not sure it's kohl or a kajal, but it's beautiful. Then to clean up my contours a little bit, I used the NYX HD banana powder. And today for my blush, I used a very muted one from Wet n Wild. This color is so beautiful on the cheeks. I love it. And now we have come to the best part, that is highlighting. And I love highlighters. This Flower Beauty one is my current favorite one. A little pricey but worth the money. Very beautiful, very blinding, buildable. In one word, this is stunning. So I'm applying it on all the usual areas. You might have seen me using highlighters a bazillion times, so I'm not gonna explain it any further. I love this highlighter so much I cannot explain you guys. So yeah, moving on, and I used a setting spray to set everything on face. And now it's time for lipstick. For the first lip option, I kept a very beautiful pinkish mauve toned lipstick from Flower Beauty. Very beautiful color, nicely pigmented and suitable for almost all Indian skin tones, so I love it. Okay, so for the second lip option, I used a very beautiful warm nude lipstick from Maybelline. Such a stunning lip shade. I don't know how Maybelline do this. Very beautiful formula, highly pigmented and very beautiful lipstick. So highly recommend it. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end of this video. I hope you guys like this video. If you did, then please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. If you are new here, hi, this is Arpita. I make videos every single week, so please do subscribe to my channel before you leave. And yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye.